The pharmacological properties of cilantro fruit are due to the presence of essential oils and fatty acids that enhance the secretion of the glands of the gastrointestinal tract. An infusion of cilantro fruit has a choleretic and antispasmodic effect. Indications: as a means of stimulating appetite, stimulating digestion, as a carminative and choleretic agent for reduced function of the gastrointestinal tract. How to use: about 3 grams 1 teaspoon of fruits are placed in an enamel bowl. Pour 200 ml 1 glass of chilled boiled water. Cover with a lid and heat in a boiling water bath for 15 minutes. Cool at room temperature for 45 minutes. Filter. Squeeze the remaining raw materials. The volume of the resulting infusion is adjusted with boiled water to 200 ml. Take orally 1/2 to 1/3 cup 2 to 3 times a day. It is recommended to shake the infusion before use. Contraindications: increased individual sensitivity to the components of the drug, cholelithiasis, children's age up to 12 years. Side effects: allergic reactions are possible. Storage conditions: in a dry place protected from light. Prepared infusion in a cool place for no more than 2 days. Keep out of reach of children. Shelf life for years.